This is why you need NES PDUs in your next office project. Let's dive in. In Saudi Arabia's bustling office design and refurbishment market, compliance isn't just a box to tick, it's a guarantee of quality. NES PDUs from Germany don't just meet standards, they set them. NES is the registered major supplier to major government and private sector office projects since 15 years. In the KSA fit-out and construction markets, utilizing only SASO registered and SQM certified power distribution units is not only just recommended, it is a mandatory. NES is the only globally SQM certified and SABRE registered PDU system provider. Think compliance, reliability and top-tier German engineering. With up to a 7-year warranty, NES systems offer unmatched peace of mind. Your investment is secure and future-proof, making it a smart choice for any office project. Whether you're powering a government office or a private sector skyscraper, NES has you covered. Ready to elevate your workspace? Connect with our expert team and discover the best in workspace technology today. Visit www.nesbuero.com. NES PDUs, powering progress, ensuring compliance.